My name is Trace Coveney and I am the founder of Together Academy. Together Academy is a social enterprise. We have a classroom for doing QQI level training funded by the ETB. We have a training cafe for our young adults to hone their skills, and the objective of Together Academy is to radically change the unacceptable statistic around youth unemployment for young adults with Down syndrome. Today is an opportunity to welcome our friends from Cabinteely Community School in to meet our students, be served a delicious cup of coffee or hot chocolate and cup of tea, and learn a little bit about what it's like to work and be around young adults with Down syndrome as they move towards their journey into employment.
My name is Lacey and I am from Cabinteely Community School.
And I'm Liliana and I'm also from Cabinteely Community School.
I thought it was very inspiring, definitely, because I wasn't that educated on this, but I 100% now know a lot more.
I think it was really interesting and a really special occasion that I'm really grateful I have. I was really pleasantly surprised with everything, and the service here is really lovely.
And the food was so good.
The food was really good. I had that hot chocolate, so thank you.
I think it's totally amazing. I really love the cafe. It builds my confidence serving the customers, and also I use my ears to listen to the staff. That's the one I really like, so I know what I'm doing. Also, all in a sudden, I got some great news that I'm getting paid here. So that's why I started for one day on a Wednesday at 9:30 till 3.
With the right supports, these young adults can really learn. We can shift expectations of them and of our community and of our local employers and our employers in the city around supporting and providing paid opportunities for employment for people with disabilities.